Hello, my name is Luisa Ternau. I'm going to read my poem Watching the Dusk on a Rainy Night, Musing, which you can find in the anthology Mingled Voices 7 at page 133. Watching the dusk, clouds painted over the foggy mountains in a sfumato style, as teachers suggested, with colored pencil scraps pressed over within the lines by tiny fingers. Do not cry over the past. Take that little pupil you wear in your arms and toss him in the air. Every child loves that. Then make a paper ball of those memories and throw it around. Memories as notes, and you the composer. The mountains darken. Dusk already brings night. Let the rains cry for you and fertilize the soil, where flowers will grow with their corollas facing the sun, delivering you a song of joy, a song that will not leave you wherever you may go, its notes like bells, filling the air in silence.